I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a verified YouTube channel with channel ownership and a Google account. Once done, open YouTube Studio and go to Monetization to start the Adsense link flow. This is the first actionable step. You'll be prompted to sign into or create an Adsense account. Make sure the account matches the email for channel ownership. Enter payment and tax details now so you avoid delays later, and keep two-step verification active for smoother identity checks. You'll continue inside the Adsense link flow where YouTube asks you to accept terms and choose an Adsense account. If you already have Adsense, select Associate and sign into that exact Google account. This prevents duplicate publishers. If creating new, complete registration forms carefully, country, name, and currency must match your legal documents. Once you submit, YouTube sends a verification request to Adsense. Allow time for processing and check both product consoles for status updates and any follow-up prompts. To finish, monitor your email and the Monetization tab until Adsense shows linked and approved. This activates ad serving. If approval is delayed, verify that your postal PIN arrived and that the payment and tax sections have no typos. Small mismatches cause rejections. If linking stalls beyond 2 weeks, clear cache, try a different browser, and reinitiate the association. If that fails, open an Adsense support case or post in the product forum. Keep records of account ID and emails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.